ladies and gentlemen, we are here now at the Terrace Cafe in this beautiful PC Bourbon where the views here are absolutely breathtaking. If you have not been here, you are seriously missing out on some beautiful, beautiful views. So we are sitting here with Ghazala Akbar, who is the
Deputy manager, yeah.
Deputy manager, duty manager, and
Mr.
Abbas
Abbas Khan.
who is the deputy general manager. Yes, wonderful.
That's what we've got correct.
Thank
Wow.
you for your hospitality. Thank you for
Welcome
letting
you
us
all.
in, and thank you for welcoming us.
Yes.
It's been great, and it's
You
beautiful
enjoyed
here.
everything?
Yeah,
We have.
we're
We've
still enjoying,
enjoyed
but we were
everything.
thinking that we might get asked for tea as well, but it's
Well,
perfectly
you
all right.
have-
All right. Okay.
You got it.
Okay, it's perfectly all right. But just to get started with the conversation, we were thinking to each other because PC Bourbon is a household name as well. Because everybody, for example, whenever we think about Murray or Bourbon, this is the place where we would come because that's where you get comfort, that's where you feel at home as well. Don't you think when the seasons change, it gets difficult for you to provide that hospitality, which we think that we expect because we have paid?
Actually, there are two seasons, like
Yeah.
summers, and we have then winters. People love to come here for the snowfall,
Yes.
which is at the moment now here.
Yeah.
And then in summers, they want some cool place to go and visit. And then again, we are here to look after them.
Very nice. And
So
we
do
do
you
have a
live
swimming
here
pool.
on the property?
Yeah, we live here.
How long have you lived here?
I have actually rejoined. It's just a month or so to
Okay.
me.
And for you, sir?
For the last 3 years.
Wow, because Shahzad and I were
Yeah.
talking about how wonderful it is to breathe in all that fresh oxygen and how
Yes.
great it felt. So do you think your health has improved since you've lived here?
A lot. You can see that.
You can see that.
No, but as a matter of fact, I know that it's a naughty question, and people know me for that I ask such notorious questions. That is, since I've done it myself as well, whenever I would go to a hotel where they say that, we're five-star hotel and stuff like that, you feel privileged too at times, you thank God, but then you ask something from the staff which they cannot deliver. And then you get haywired and then you're all over the place as well. How do you curtail such a situation, and have you ever handled such a situation in your life? Share an experience.
There are several situations. How many you want us to share?
Well, it's a daily routine for us now, you can say.
Maybe an interesting story.
One interesting story.
There are several. People used to ask that mostly that we cannot do at the moment, there are so many
What are
things.
those things? What are those things?
Maybe out of season fruit, something like that.
Yeah.
No, it's a fruit. The food is not a problem. We have the expertise, everything. We can provide them doctor facilities, everything.
Okay, tell us about other facilities which we have over. I know that we do have snooker, we have pool, we have cinema,
Well, you
jacuzzi,
name it and
sauna.
we have it. Like
Okay.
for the
Bungee
luxury.
jumping.
Well, we
You can have the bungee jumping.
See, I'm that type of a customer as well.
No.
Yeah, go ahead. You want to ask something?
No, we have
No, I'm good. I was gonna ask
steam,
about
jacuzzi, sauna, rumor, the dancing club, squash, table tennis, lawn tennis,
Wow,
swimming pool, treasure hunts,
that's great.
walking tracks.
And then, since we host shows, so I still remember that I came over here for a corporate show as well. So that's what you offer too. That corporate organizations or companies, they can come over here, they can have their own functions, they can dine
You
in.
can see over there we have
Yes,
amphitheater over
exactly.
there. We used to have concert out there, fashion shows there.
Exactly, that's what I was about telling. And then we do have a helipad. I mean, if only you have a helicopter, that's what it is. You
We
can
used
probably
to have
land.
guests coming
How do
through.
you think we can use this helipad though? I've always had this question in my head. But do you have to ask for permission or what?
You have to ask for the permission, and on monthly basis we have 2 to 3 guests coming through Hali. It's not a big issue. You just have to take permission from Civil Aviation Authority.
That's it.
And that's it.
Do you fly a chopper?
No, I don't fly a chopper. I ride a chopper. That's what it is. But I cannot fly a chopper. I always wanted to be a pilot, though. Okay, I think this is an interesting question. So this is what you wanted to be already in your lives. You wanted to be in this industry, hotel industry, or
Well,
hospitality.
it's a very charming industry.
Yes,
Although
you
you
get to
can
meet so
say,
many
you meet so many people, and you can say it's just like a showbiz.
All right, it's just like showbiz. So it's full of glamour. That's what they're trying to say. But what are the challenges of your job?
Well, there's what you pointed out the first, the 200 rupees challenge over there. Then there is scarcity of water over here.
Alright.
There is no sewage gas over here. Then there's electric breakdowns, frequent electric breakdowns. Then we have to run for week on generators.
Oh my God.
So-
Anything you
and
want to add on to?
What is the best season to come here?
All this.
All the seasons.
All the seasons
Great.
now.
That's what we were talking about.
No,
earlier.
it's no more a seasonal hotel. It's
Every
a full
season have their
year
own
hotel.
beauty. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like this
And
one
which are
is
the
snow
best rooms to
covered.
get though? Which are the best rooms to get? Because you know, I still remember back in 1990s there was a drama serial with the name, and it was produced by PTV, Alpha Bravo Charlie.
Yes.
One of the scenes was shot over here of Gulsher and this lady who were on a honeymoon. So I
Yeah.
could see that it was a suite which had stairs in it,
Duplex
and you could
suite.
go
Yeah,
upstairs
it's
and
a
then you can
duplex.
come downstairs
Yeah.
as well.
Is that the presidential suite?
No,
that's
that's
a
a
duplex
duplex
That's
suite.
the duplex.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, finally the journey comes to an end. Well, I do not feel like going back home.
I
What about
know.
you?
Those snow fights were awesome. You got snow bombed
Yeah.
like crazy.
But it's perfectly all right. You know, I can feel it inside my jacket as well. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back home, take a hot shower, and feel relaxed and, you know, rejoice all the memories we have created over here. So for all those people who are out there, you know, this was our initiative of coming outside and letting you know that, you know, how beautiful Pakistan is. But other than Murray, it's for the very first time that we have come to Murray. Inshallah, in coming days and in coming years, we'll move on to different places as well and different exquisite locations where I think that, you know, Pakistanis should go, and that's how we should promote the soft image of Pakistan.
I agree, and maybe we can let them know next time before we go and they can join us.
Yeah, that's something which we can do as well. But for the moment, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. And your, you know, valuable feedback, all you have to do is write onto our Facebook fan page, which is with the name of,
World This Morning.
on Twitter,
World This Morning without the G.
on Dailymotion and YouTube.
World This Morning.
And the fabulous repeat is going to be at.
11:05 p.m.
And did you got snow bombed?
I did not. I'm
Bye bye. Look after yourself.